welcome to Young Turks, the show that puts the spotlight on young Indian innovators who are disrupting existing business models and trying something new and different. Now, can you imagine a lush green lawn that does not need watering, does not need a soil change or manure, and can withstand wide variations of temperature and weather pretty much through the year? Well, the impossible has been made possible with Anil Kumar and his artificial grass. Here's his story. Imagine a lawn that never needs watering, fertilizing, weeding or even mowing. Your kids could play on it as much as they want and yet not ruin it. Lush green, be it rain or intense heat, 365 days a year for at least 15 to 20 years. Sounds impossible? Well, just ask any of the 1,100 plus proud owners of the field turf lawns in India. Anil Kumar, the man behind Field Turf Target India, an exclusive licensee of a Montreal-based firm, launched artificial grass in India through architect-focused trade shows in 2004. The idea was that once architects understood the technical aspects, they could recommend it to their clients.
We started off with the vision that we will completely transform the urban landscapes, and we are really well on our way to do that. I mean, the best example being that more and more home rooftop gardens as well as school playgrounds or professional stadium surfaces, they are all transforming, and in that sense you have a surface that is world class, it is absolutely injury free and dust free, yet without any ongoing maintenance cost, there is no watering, and it's a very eco-friendly product.
This eco-friendly product is backed with an 8-year warranty and today has a distribution network covering 8 Indian states as well as Sri Lanka. With corporate clients like Coca-Cola, Infosys, Microsoft and the National Stock Exchange, Field Turf also finds pride of place in the offices of the rich and famous like Mukesh Ambani and Sunil Mittal. So while the grass is certainly looking greener in Anil's corner, what could the challenges be for this young Turk?
Getting people to understand that this is not that old generation, but it's a whole new generation of grass has been one aspect, which we've successfully overcome by way of the number of trade shows that we participate in, where we, that gives a chance for potential buyers and architects to come and walk on the lawn and touch and feel it, and then they are, just absolutely convinced. The second thing has been, fine, I mean, this does look good, it looks great in fact, but are you sure that it really lasts 20 years, So we've had a lot of case studies to do. We've done some sample installations. We've shown what has been installed abroad, the oldest of which is in the 17th year now. And they, eventually after a year or two, they do see the same site in absolutely mint new condition, and they get convinced. And the third and last aspect has been in terms of its initial cost of having such a lawn. I mean, obviously it costs much more than a natural grass lawn, but then it's a one-time investment. And if you typically compare, depending on whether you use on a rooftop or on a high foot traffic area or some of that, your initial investment, you actually recover that in anywhere between 2 to 5 years. And after that, it's like a free lawn for the next 15 years. So once people realize that if you see it from a perspective of cost of ownership, not the initial investment, but even with natural grass, when you eventually count the amount of watering and mali and fertilizer and lawn mowing, and still it may not survive heavy foot traffic. When you compare all of these perspectives, so based on where we position it for, heavy foot traffic areas, rooftops or, children's play area, indoor areas, any of these, that's where, it has the best return on investment. And then once people have realized that, it just took off like anything.
This no maintenance innovation ranges from 250 to 390 rupees per square foot and can be used both indoors as well as outdoors. Moreover, the grass is fire retardant, heat and UV resistant, and also drains water faster than it rains. So does Field Turf impress our panel of experts?
What is impressive to me about Field Turf is that they managed to see that there was a gap in the market, but more impressive than that, they figured out a way to sell a product, which is 10 or 20 times the price of the Indian product. Now that's a pretty important thing. We keep priding ourselves in India saying that we always take value-based decisions and it has to be the same price, but these guys managed to sell a really premium product in India. So they really created a market for a product that none existed. I think that's pretty good.
A member of the US Green Building Council, FieldTurf's grass is made from recycled plastic and does not need the use of precious resources like water or fertilizers. Held in place by a rubber and sand base that feels and grips exactly like soft yet firm earth, the grass is tough enough to withstand heavy usage. When installed on a rooftop, the heat is absorbed in the grass layer and cools the rooms under it by over 5 degrees centigrade, thereby reducing energy needs. A truly eco-friendly product making barren rooftops become lush green lawns. And with revenues of 20 crore rupees since its launch, Anil is sitting pretty on his well-laid field of artificial grass. But can it really compete with the real thing?
It absolutely feels like real grass. I mean, people could walk barefoot on that and they would not realize that it's artificial grass. It is that soft and silky. In fact, we have a tagline that says, it looks like grass, it feels like grass, and it plays like grass. So that's as good an example. And you know, there have been many instances where people actually mistook that for natural grass.
With a team of 65, FieldTurf Target has now launched an entire range of sports surfaces suitable for volleyball, badminton and tennis. For this cricket-crazy nation, Anil has already set up 25 installations and is even looking at going global. But what should he be focusing on?
I would say keep on investing in R&D and product and technology, because as long as you can keep a product and technology getting closer and closer to natural grass, it will be a very, very useful product.
And doing just that, FieldTurf's grass is tested in extreme conditions and is also leadership in environmental and energy design certified. With more and more architects and clients using these maintenance-free lawns, the future looks bright and green. Well, time for us to take our first commercial break, but when we return, the story of a man and his website who's helping your money work for you.